case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Francis v. Franklin, a case involving Raymond Lee Franklin, who was charged with murder and kidnapping. The central issue of the case focused on whether the jury instruction on intent violated the 14th Amendment, which ensures that a defendant is given a fair trial and that the state must prove every essential element of a crime beyond a reasonable doubt. The case began in 1979 when Franklin tried to escape while receiving dental care with 3 other inmates. During the escape, Franklin grabbed a pistol from an officer and fled, taking the dentist's assistant with him as a hostage. He claimed that the pistol was used accidentally, but the jury found him guilty of murder and sentenced him to death. Franklin appealed his conviction, arguing that the jury instruction created a mandatory presumption of intent and shifted the burden of proof to him, thus violating his constitutional rights. The Court of Appeals issued a writ of habeas corpus in response to his appeal, deeming the Sandstrom error at trial harmful and reversing the convictions for murder and kidnapping. The Supreme Court ultimately affirmed the Court of Appeals' decision. In their rationale, they noted that the jury's request for re-instruction on the elements of malice and accident further supported the conclusion that the evidence of intent was not overwhelming. The mandatory presumption of intent had eliminated Franklin's defense, which was lack of intent to kill. Consequently, the case was remanded for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.